For this river of sound meditation, bring yourself onto your chair, cushion or stool and settle yourself into your meditation posture. Either your feet or legs resting, balanced on the floor. Hands resting in your lap in your chosen posture, whether that's one hand on top of the other and the thumbs gently touching, or any other position that you find comfortable. And then we gently tilt our head downwards towards the knees and closing the eyes softly, remembering that you can keep the eyelids gently open to allow the light to help with your alertness and focus. And then we start with gentle breaths in and out to help us relax the body and calm the mind. So slowing the breaths down, long inhale, long exhale. And just use each exhale to gently soften the body and become aware of where you are holding any tension. Remembering to soften through the face, softening the eyebrows and the forehead, and parting the teeth to relax through the jawline. Breathing out, releasing any tension through the shoulders. Let the shoulders soften. Let the arms rest heavily in the lap. Relaxing through the belly. Let the lower back, hips and pelvis be felt fully resting on the chair or the cushion. And allow your legs to slowly soften into a relaxed position. Slowly allow your breathing to come back to its natural pattern. Spend a few moments in mindfulness of breathing, just watching the air as it passes in and out of your nostrils. Just noticing each sensation of the air as it gently passes in through the nostrils and passes out again. Acknowledging that distraction is just part of human nature. If you notice yourself being taken away by thoughts, just gently redirect your attention back to focus on the breath. Taking your attention down into the body, start to feel the rise and fall of the chest and the abdomen with each breath. Just feeling the experience of breathing in each moment through the body. And then start to gently turn your attention to what you can hear. Start by focusing on the sounds that are coming from your body, whether you can hear the flow of air in and out of your nostrils. Notice whether you can hear your heartbeat. The sound of yourself swallowing. And any movement, sounds coming from your clothes as your body moves with each breath. Remember, we're not trying to change anything. So if you can't hear any sounds coming from yourself, that's fine. Just observe this present moment exactly as it is. You don't need to try and move to create sound. Just allow things to be as they are. Start to expand your awareness outside of your body and into your immediate environment, into the room that you find yourself in. Start to focus on all the sounds that you can hear inside the room, all those near sounds. And be aware of whether you start to categorize sounds, or whether you start to attach likes or dislikes, pleasant or unpleasant judgments. Just gently smile to yourself. Bring yourself back to just listening. Not grasping onto any sounds and not trying to push any away. Just listening to all sounds equally. Be aware of any feelings or emotions that are arising. If you start to become agitated, just be aware that that too is a mental event and you are in control. Try not to invest in that story, just release it and bring yourself back to listening. Remind yourself to keep softening the body, releasing any tension, relaxing the mind, just listening to this present moment exactly as it is. And then try expanding your mind a little further, taking your awareness outside of the room into the wider environment, listening to all those distant sounds. Try to really take in the qualities of what you can hear. The sharpness or softness of the sounds, whether they seem near or far, natural or man-made. Allow yourself to have a true experience of what you can hear in this moment. If your mind becomes distracted or you notice that you're giving yourself a commentary on what you can hear, Again, just gently show yourself some kindness and non-judgment. Allow that commentary to be released. Just come back to listening. That's all you have to do, is just listen. Just observe. Any thoughts that distract you, just gently let them go. Redirect your attention back to listening for the last few moments. Start to bring your attention back inwards, back towards the body. Spending a few moments focused on the breath. Before slowly arising from your meditation, opening your eyes when you're ready.